Hi, I'm Luna. Welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'll show you how to turn on 5G on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Open the Settings app. This is where you can manage and customize all of your device's features. Next, tap on Connections. Inside this menu, you'll find several network-related options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile networks. Now tap on Mobile Networks. Here, look for the option Network Mode and select it. A pop-up menu will appear showing all the available network types supported by your device and carrier. Now choose the option that includes 5G, usually labeled something like 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G, Auto Connect. Tap on it to enable 5G connectivity. Once selected, your phone will automatically connect to a 5G network whenever it's available in your area and supported by your SIM plan. You've successfully turned on 5G on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the thumbs up, leave a comment with what you'd like to see next, and stay tuned for more simple and powerful tech tips right here on the channel.